So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto my video today. You guys are like amazing. So as you already guessed from the title, today's video is my unboxing of my brand new Veja trainers. I think it's Veja or Veja. Video's sake, I'm going to call them Veja Trainers. I apologize if it's not pronounced Veja, but I think that's how you pronounce the company's name. Or is it Veja or Veja? But whatever, they're here guys, and I'm so excited, and I really wanted to share them with you guys. So yes, they are. Aren't they beautiful? Look. Nice crisp white trainers. And why I decided to purchase some new trainers was because I had, obviously I'm hoping summer is around the corner, and it's always nice to have like nice fresh clean pair of white trainers. Nice to kind of, you know, get out of the routine of wearing boots, shoes that are designed for colder weather climates. So I thought it'd be nice just to purchase a brand new pair of white trainers. So then I decided to YouTube to see if any other YouTubers had recommended or the reviews on these actual trainers, and the majority of the videos that I did watch were all very positive reviews. They were raving about the brand, they were raving about the shoe, so it just seemed all positive. So I thought, you know what, let's have a look. I went on to the site called Harvey Nicks, which is a department store based in London, probably other places, but I'm just aware of that it's based in London. Anyway, so I went online, ordered my pair of trainers, they arrived, and here we go. So the ones that I actually went with are the Veja Campo style. I got a UK size 6. Like, how amazing are they? So they're like a white sneaker with like, I'd say like a, I don't know how to describe this. Is it like a slate or a natural white color trimming? You've got the V for Veja. You've got the gold Veja engraved on the back of the foot. You have Veja on the back of the sole. I think it's like a suede material. And the sole, like I said, the shoelaces are made from organic cotton. The sole is made from wild rubber from the Amazonia. So there are many plus points with Veja as a brand itself. I'm going to actually read a little bit from the card for you guys because I can't memorize it, but I will read it, all the plus points that I think everyone should be aware of from the actual booklet. So inside the box you do get this beautiful Veja booklet, and it kind of tells you like all the information. So it tells you that the shoelaces are made from organic cotton, wild and fairly traded rubber for the sole, mesh. There's different trainers have different designs. So the trainers that are made of mesh and knitted fabrics are made from recycled plastic bottles. The actual trainers are made in a high standard factory based in Brazil, and I like the fact that the workers are actually fairly paid as well. So the farmers are fairly paid. You have the people who are the rubber tapers, they're also fairly paid. I love this. So on the manufacturing, respect of workers' dignity. So ILO rules are followed. Good working and living conditions as well. So not only, and there's many more plus points, guys. So yeah, I would highly suggest, if you are looking for a new pair of trainers, to perhaps Google this brand. So yeah, so I think what I found the most appealing was obviously all the points that I've just listed for you guys, but also the fact that it's a brand that's actually helping the environment. It's respecting the people that are working for them. And yeah, and I feel like the shoe is something that is not just a trend-based shoe. This is something that could be worn years from now. So it's sustainable. And I think that's something that you know, moving forward, that's something that I'm trying to be more conscious of, purchasing things that are a lot more sustainable. So yeah, that was my mini unboxing of the Veja trainers. I have, like I said, I have tried them on, and they do feel comfortable. They do feel really comfortable so far. I have heard there are some other styles that you have to kind of wear in, but I feel with these they're going to be fine. I can do a review video if you'd like me to perhaps review the wear and tear of these trainers once I do start wearing them. The site I will link below for you guys, and if you have any questions, obviously, like I said, I will link the site that I purchased these from below. But if you have any additional questions about the trainers, feel free to leave a comment in the comment box, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. So yeah, that was my mini review of my beautiful Veja trainers. I'm so excited. I can't actually wait to wear them once the weather like gets better. And I'm so happy that I actually made the purchase. And like I said, the more I'm reading about the brand, the more I'm excited to be a customer of theirs. So yeah, so thank you so much for your time. You guys are, like I said, amazing. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, can you please perhaps considering subscribing, because that would mean the world to me, and I would appreciate it so much. So yeah, till next time, take care and see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.